Boosting neurogenesis, how to produce more brain cells. Introduction. Our brains are incredible organs that have the ability to constantly change and adapt. Contrary to previous beliefs, it has been proven that we can continue producing new brain cells throughout our lives in a process called neurogenesis. This discovery brings hope for enhancing cognitive function and preventing age-related neurological diseases such as Alzheimer's. In this video, we will delve deeper into the topic of neurogenesis and explore various lifestyle factors that can promote the production of new brain cells. Understanding neurogenesis. Neurogenesis refers to the creation of new neurons in the brain. The hippocampus, responsible for learning and memory retention, plays a vital role in this process. The size of the hippocampus is directly related to levels of neurogenesis. By increasing neurogenic activity, one can enhance their cognitive abilities at any age. Dietary factors. The food we consume plays a crucial role in promoting neurogenesis. Certain dietary components have been identified as particularly powerful in stimulating brain cell production. 1. Blueberries. These antioxidant-rich fruits have shown significant benefits for overall brain health. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids, ALA, DHA, EPA found in fish or krill oil supplements. These essential fatty acids support healthy brain function. 3. EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, a polyphenol compound found in green tea with potent neurogenic properties. 4. Curcumin, a compound present in turmeric known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Other compounds and supplements that stimulate neurogenesis include quercetin, vitamin E, grapeseed extract, ginseng root, ginkgo biloba, goji berries, rhodiola rosea root, and lotus root. Body category: physical activity. Regular exercise not only benefits our physical health but also enhances our mental well-being by promoting neurogenic activity within the brain. Activities that increase your heart rate, such as high-intensity interval training, HIIT, have been proven to be particularly effective in boosting neurogenesis. Other factors within the body category that promote neurogenesis include engaging in sexual activity, ensuring proper sleep patterns, exposure to various forms of music and sounds of nature, spending time in natural environments, and seeking out novel experiences. Heart category: emotional well-being. Our emotional state has a profound impact on neurogenic activity. Positive emotions like joy, love, interest, excitement are associated with increased neurogenesis. Cultivating positive relationships and avoiding negative ones that cause stress or anxiety is crucial for promoting brain cell production. Feeling loved releases oxytocin hormone, which enhances neurogenesis. Additionally, practices such as mindfulness meditation, where one pays attention to their breathing, and compassion meditation can also foster optimal brain health. Mind category: mental stimulation. Keeping our minds active through continuous learning and engagement is vital for promoting healthy cognitive function and increasing neurogenic activity. Activities such as reading books or articles, writing regularly, problem-solving exercises, or puzzles, engaging in complex work tasks requiring cognitive abilities all contribute to enhanced brain cell production. Interestingly enough, research suggests that individuals who consistently use their minds earlier in life tend to exhibit lower rates of Alzheimer's disease later on. This concept, termed cognitive reserve, emphasizes the importance of mental stimulation throughout one's lifespan. Spirit category: mindfulness and compassion. Engaging in spiritual practices can also positively influence neurogenesis. Mindfulness meditation involves focusing on one's breath, while compassion meditation focuses on wishing wellness upon others. These practices develop a sense of calmness within oneself, thereby enhancing overall well-being, including improved neural health. Prayer too has similar effects akin to compassion meditation. Factors that hinder neurogenesis. While it is essential to adopt habits that promote new neuron growth, it is equally important to avoid activities detrimental for neurogenic processes. Some factors known to decrease neurogenesis include chronically elevated blood sugar levels, high amounts of carbohydrates and sugars in the diet, overeating, especially inflammatory foods.
Also subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive more such useful and interesting videos.